Authoritative, confident, straight to the point. If you need money fast, the internet has already solved that problem. There are platforms right now paying people daily, sometimes instantly, for simple tasks, freelance work, and digital services. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 legitimate websites that pay you instantly or within 24 hours, and exactly how to use them. No theory, no fluff, just execution. All links will be in the description below. The first website is Fiverr, owned by Fiverr. When you land on Fiverr's homepage, you'll see a clean interface with a search bar at the top that says, "What service are you looking for?" Below that, there are categories like graphic design, writing, video editing, AI services. To make money here, you create what's called a gig. A gig is simply a service you offer. For example, YouTube thumbnails, TikTok video edits, AI voiceovers, logo design. Once someone orders your service and you complete it, Fiverr releases your payment after a short clearance period. According to Fiverr's public data, freelancers worldwide are earning full-time incomes from this platform. Link in description. Next is Upwork, operated by Upwork. Upwork is slightly more professional and client-focused than Fiverr. When you open the website, the dashboard shows job listings, client budgets, and proposal options. To start, you create a profile and apply for jobs. These jobs include writing, design, virtual assistants, and customer support. Many projects offer immediate payment upon completion. Upwork's official reports show freelancers earning billions annually through the platform. Link in description. The third platform is Swagbucks, owned by Prodigy. When you open Swagbucks, the layout is very simple. You'll see a dashboard with tasks like surveys, watching videos, testing apps, online shopping rewards. Each task gives you points, which can be converted into cash or gift cards. This is not a get-rich platform. It's for quick, small earnings, but it pays reliably. Link in description. Next is User Testing, operated by User Testing. This platform pays you to test websites and apps. When you log in, you'll see available tests listed with estimated time, payout amount, and requirements. You record your screen and voice while giving feedback. Most tests pay between $5 and $20 and are completed in minutes. Companies use this data to improve their platforms. Link in description. The fifth platform is Amazon Mechanical Turk, owned by Amazon. This platform offers microtasks. When you log in, the interface shows a